double up. 3 or 4 times, I ain't telling no lies, I just run it up. Never let a hard time humble us. Double up. I ain't telling no lies, I just, yeah.
What's going on, everybody? What's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. You know who it is. Chuck is in the building, aka the Go Gorilla. And I just want to get everybody prepared for another successful week. We had a great week last week, as always. And without further ado, I want to start off by going over last week's chart and show you guys exactly what happened for all my followers and the ones that are trading with me. So let's get started. As you see, last week, if you look at the previous video, you was tracking that we was looking for gold to either do a pullback here. This is the weekly chart, pullback, retest, and then continue up, or just continue up. Let me scroll down to the daily chart, so we can get a clearer view of what's going on. All right, there we go. You guys can see that a lot better. This is the daily here. As you can see, we got that pullback and then continuation up. Was hoping for it just to take off and keep going, but hey, things happen. Overall direction, what we knew was going, and we was in a bullish market, so that was complete. All right, you guys see that. Let's scroll down to the 4 hour. There we go. All right, a lot clearer, Hope you guys can see that, what we got going on. All right, the only thing we had that was not what I was tracking was if I got a break here, I was looking for the market to completely pull back to 1880, 1875 area. And as you can see, we got a reversal here at this support zone. So we was shy maybe about 80, 100 pips of our entry on our buy. But again, everything still played out. We got a bounce here and bam, we shot to the moon. As you can see, 1960 was our goal, went a little bit past. So if you didn't close out, you made a little extra money, but the goal was achieved and we got a nice reversal. So I was able to, I was in a sale here, but I had to break even and was able to catch the buy at my buy stop here all the way up. And then I caught the sale all the way down. So in my book, that was very successful. I am very happy with last week. And this week is going to be even better. All right. Let's start off. Let's get rid of these. We're going to get everything nice and fresh for you guys. And we're going to go at it. See what we got for this week. All right. Like always, I want to get back on the weekly chart so we can get a good, clear view of what's going on. Oh, wow. Look at this. This is beautiful. All right, for you guys, I don't know what this is. This is a weekly, this is a shooting star, or as you want to call it, a pin bar for all my very knowledgeable traders. Just take a minute. Let me show you what a pin bar look like so we can see if this is exactly a pin bar. All right, I think we can definitely verify and clarify that that is definitely a pin bar. We are looking for all sales this week in the upcoming weeks. This is definitely now a bearish market from what we can see. We should be very successful, but we still got a lot of things going on in the world. As you know, Russia, Ukraine got some things going on that can also affect the market. So we're going to keep those stop losses tight. We're going to use risk management, and we're going to continue making this money. All right. But again, overall direction I'm looking at is bearish, and we're going to see what we got here. Okay, let's scroll down. Let's jump to our daily chart again, and then we're going to mark this thing up and wrap this week up for another success. So as you can see here, as you say, I already told you I'm in a bearish market here, so I'm looking for all sales. So we want to make sure we be very smart on our movement here, and make sure we get those stop loss tight so we can maximize on all our profit. Let's start off and see what we got. All right, so this is what I like to see. I want to see definitely this continue down. Looking for this zone still can be very iffy. We can get some movement up still and then possibly down. So I would definitely be looking for a break coming out of here to possibly my next support zone that we broke out of. And then you can see this the wedge also. So, and then maybe continue down to the next support, and that I touch the inner wedge, which would probably be the best take profit for you guys. We should be looking at maybe 1830, 1810, two take profits, massive pips. So let's see here. All right. So this definitely a play. See what else we got here. I'm looking for either this to continue up to this zone, previous resistance. Could possibly push up a little higher. So make sure you got your stop loss tight. Make sure you got your risk management, and only risk a small portion of your account here, so you can give the market a little playroom here. All right. And then here I'm looking for continue back down, and then that break all the way. All right. Let's move this down just a little bit. Yeah. So, okay. Oh man, it's really cut and dry. This, when you know what to look for, it makes things a lot easier. That pin bar was definitely a good indicator. It's making this market, giving us good signals of what we need to look for here. I'm gonna scroll down to the 4-hour, see maybe we can get another clear view. Right now, the daily is basically giving out all kind of free kudos for big pips to be made for this week. All right, let's see here. Those arrows here are based off my daily chart. So this is very nice what I'm seeing here. I even possibly see a head and shoulder for you guys that don't know what that is. Let me show you real quick. This is a head and shoulder. Wow, look at that. That is beautiful. That would be a very nice clear head and shoulder. So I'm definitely looking for this thing to sell. Again, if you like trading up a head and shoulders, you would probably want to wait and wait till this zone is touched, and that will definitely be completed. That'll complete that head and shoulder, and we should be all sales from there. You guys, I don't know what else to say. It's really cut and dry. Very, very cut and dry for this week. I'm gonna take these. Oh wow! I'm gonna take these back out just to make everything back clear again. All my new traders want to study up on head and shoulders, so you can understand exactly what I'm showing here. But that was very cut and dry. Wow, that's nice trade for this week. I think we're gonna be great set up for making some good money. I'm gonna jump back over to the daily, and we're gonna end this right here because this is what I'm gonna be playing off most of the time. It's the daily chart, and you can see the power of why we have to scale down, or not scale, but scale up to the weekly chart. You can see why you want to see the overall direction of the market before you start making your decision on where direction you're going to be going. All right. Again, this is very simple, short video. Well, about 9 minutes, 10 minutes, a lot shorter than usual. Again, thank you guys for jumping on my YouTube channel. Make sure you like, share, subscribe to the channel. Any guys you know that's looking at the trade, or you guys want to start trading, I will have links in my description here. My free Telegram group, my VIP group for those who are looking for signals, and also including now is my Forex secure the bag trading journal, where you can indicate and lock in all your daily decisions that you make, so you can go back and look at the historical data and make sure you're making all the right decisions to going forward in your trading journal and your trading future. All right. Without ado, thank you again, and I will see you guys on the next YouTube channel next week. And God bless and have a good one.